Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hello everyone, this is Danny Lambert, President and Founder of Plush Republic Digital Marketing. I've already run you through how to create a Facebook pixel and install it and create a retargeting audience. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Facebook standard and custom events. So all you do is come into your ads manager, you click here, hover over all tools, and we're going back to the pixels page. Once we're within the pixels section, you should see your pixel. If you don't, something's wrong and you need to go back to the beginning and get that set up, or put something in the comments and I can help you out. But you go ahead and click here. Come into setup, the second option here, manually install the code yourself. We already did all of this. This should all be set up, or else you wouldn't be getting this information behind here. So your base code is already set up. You click continue, and here it'll give you all the different standard, right? So these are the standard events that Facebook has: purchase, lead, add to cart, etc. You can always use these or create a custom event, and I'll show you what the difference between the two is. So say I'm a B2B business and I generate leads. So for lead gen, I would open this up and it'll show me that I have these additional parameters which would be on top of the base code that you already have. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And what I need to do is I need to take this code and either trigger it when a lead would happen, or more regularly I would put it on the page where a lead goes to when they become a lead. So in this example, I have a contact us page. When someone fills out the contact us page, they would go to the thank you page. That's how I know they're a lead, and I would need to embed that code on this page. So that's the first way that you can do it within your website editor. I can come to the page itself, and you could either hard code this into the page, or your developer could, or if you're using a system like this, all you need to do is add like a text block or an HTML block, and you just paste it like that. I hit save changes, I hit update, and now I'll start tracking leads. Every single person who hits this page will then send this lead event to Facebook. Easy enough to set up. I'm going to go ahead and leave this. So that's all it takes for you to set up tracking leads. And there's additional options within here, like say you have purchase within, if you're a B2C and you have like an e-commerce shop, you can set up a conversion value. Say I know this is worth $100 and its currency is USD, then I would put this on hypothetically your purchase confirmation page, and it would then also send these parameters of $100 value and the USD currency denomination. So that's how you can set up a standard event through your website. I don't typically suggest putting it on your website. I would typically suggest putting it inside of Google Tag Manager. Excuse me one second. I'm going to float this on top. That was a standard event. Let me show you how you can set up a custom event. So say you want to do something that's different than any of these. Say for me, I wanted to know every single person that visited that contact us page with this URL. So what I could do then is take this same script and then I can just edit it a very, very little bit. Don't let this deter you, right? So here is the code that we had first. It said lead, and all I want it to say instead of lead is viewed contact us. Now, I could go to the contact us page and put it here like I showed you in the last step, but the more appropriate way to do this so that everyone can manage it is to do it through a tag manager like Google Tag Manager. If you don't know much about it, I have many videos on my YouTube channel about how to set up Google Tag Manager, but I highly recommend it. And for those who use it, you'll find this very helpful. So I come in here and I want to set this up. So I have to give it a name, say contact us page, Facebook event, and then I have to configure it. You come down to the custom HTML section, and all you do is paste in that visit or viewed contact us. And then remember, in advanced settings, we want it to be once per page view, not per event. And then for triggering, I have to set up a custom trigger because, well, I ironically already have it here for contact us, but I'll show you how you would set it up. You come into triggering and you would click plus, and it would be contact us. And within the trigger configuration, I want it to be on a page view, right? Because I want them to have been people who viewed my contact us page, And I don't want all pages because it should be every page on my website. I want some pages. And how I determine that they were on our Contact Us page is I find where it says page URL contains, and then I just add Contact Us, which is coming from right here. Right? If I had copied that, I'm just saying everyone that visited the Contact Us page. I would hit save, but since I already have it, I don't have to, so I'm going to close out, discard those. I would go on the Contact Us page, so now it's firing this viewed Contact Us custom event that I created only on the Contact Us page. I would hit save, and then when I hit save, I would then come here and submit it, and it would push that to my site. So essentially, all you have to do is come into your pixel and come to the setup. If you want to do standard events, you click on which event you want to track, and then you get the code for it, and you have to put it on the page where that event happens. Again, not all pages on your site. If I have a specific place where purchases happen, a specific place where leads happen, you have to take the tracking code and put it only on those pages, and then I'll start sending those events back. You can also create your custom events by removing the text in these and adding whatever parameters you want. I added viewed Contact Us page, but I could also add a whole bunch of other stuff. Like when we had in the purchase a dollar amount and a currency, you can add other parameters, which is a more advanced topic, which I'll go into in another video. But then you take that code, you either drop it into your website page directly, or you do it through Google Tag Manager. Hopefully this is helpful. In the next couple videos, I'll show you how you can then start using this event data once it's accrued, which is pretty much twofold. You can use it to create audiences based on it, or you can use it to create custom conversions, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope it was helpful. Please like and subscribe and comment, and happy marketing, guys.